Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Everett here. So it looks like I'm able to produce another video fairly quickly here. The weather's been looking good. Tonight's going to be nice and clear, so I'm hoping to get about 3 to 4 hours on a target that I have chosen for tonight. It's going to be the Tulip Nebula in Cygnus. Yeah, I'm shooting Cygnus a lot. With my new camera, my new astronomy camera. I'm shooting everything pretty much brand new or fresh, seeing since it's a cooled astronomy camera. But anyway, tonight I'm going for the Tulip, and hopefully I can catch the area where there is a black hole. Not that I'll be able to see it, but it's called Cygnus X1, and it's right beside the Tulip Nebula. So hopefully, with any luck, fingers crossed, I'll be able to capture that and bring out the, I believe it's the jet of gas and light and energy being emitted from the black hole. Ever so slightly, hopefully I'll be able to pick it up. But anyway, come and join me. I'm sticking here in the backyard. I'm not going to our dark sky site tonight. So I'll hope you'll join me as I go after the target, the Tulip Nebula in the constellation Cygnus. So let's go. Okay, everybody, welcome back. So you're probably wondering, the Tulip Nebula, what it looks like. Well, funny enough, it looks like a tulip. And where is it? It's in Cygnus. Where's Cygnus, you ask? Well, let's go over to the computer here, and I'll show you exactly where it is, where it will be in my night sky in the backyard. So let's go over to the computer here. I got Stellarium already called up. Okay, as you can see here, there's my house, and here is my backyard. And we're going to scroll in, and there is the Tulip Nebula right there. So let's zoom in. As you can see, it's got like the petals on the outside, and it's got a different color on the inside, and I don't know, to my eye it looks like a tulip. So that is what I'm going to be going after tonight. Now, Cygnus X1, the black hole I spoke of, I believe it's somewhere around here in this region right here. So hopefully I can pick up the all the material coming out of the black hole. I'm hoping. If I don't, then we'll see, because my telescope, it's meant for wider field of views, not a really zoomed in focal length. So it's got a wider focal length. But anyway, I'll take what I can get. Hopefully I can get at least a good 3-4 hours on this target and get some good results. So what I'll do is I will get set up. Well, the telescope's already out there, as you saw by the B-roll, and I'll get polar aligned, and I will get my guiding up and running. I'll get framed and focused, and I will start doing my sequence once I get it all set up, and I'll check back with you here in a little bit. Okay, so I'm back here on the computer, and as you can see, the Tulip Nebula, I just did a 5-minute test exposure to make sure that everything is going to be in focus. The stars look nice and round. Guiding could be a little better. Guiding is a little high, but it's well within my pixel scale. So for my telescope and my camera. But yeah, it seems to be going good. Good start. So all I have to do is stop this from looping. Wow, that looks really good. Yeah. Okay. Go to my sequencer. I got my sequence set up. So I'm going to be taking 50 shots at 300 seconds, which is 5 minutes. They're light frames, binning one by one. I'm going to dither every 3 exposures. I got a gain of 100 and an offset of 70. And my total time is going to be 4 hours and 10 minutes. So that should take me till about 2 o'clock, roughly. Actually, it tells me right here. It'll go to 2:38. So all I got to do is press start, and we're off to the races. So there we go. I'll keep that imaging on so I can keep an eye on my guiding and the exposures coming in. But I'll probably catch up with you either tomorrow or the day after. Tomorrow's kind of busy for me, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to make any more content and let you know how the processing went or anything like that. So we'll talk to you in either a day or two. All right. So when this is done, I'm going to process the image, and then I'll come back and I'll finish off the video. So hope everybody has a good night, clear skies, and we'll talk to you all in a couple of days. Hey, everybody. All right. So it's the next day. I thought it wasn't going to be until tomorrow that I'd be able to get back to you, but things just worked out pretty good in my favor. Anyways, got another clear night, so I'm hoping to get another 3 to 4 hours on the Tulip Nebula. Got my scope all set up outside and all that. So I'm going to show you what's going on right now. So right now I'm plate solving on the Tulip Nebula from a file that I took last night. That's a cool thing about Nina. So it looks like the plate solver's kind of stuck. Let's see. What's going on here? Okay. Okay, I'm going to do this again. I'm going to cancel that. Slew and center. So hopefully it should plate solve this time around. Sometimes it has a little quirk where there's some trails in the stars and all that, but just due to it not being settled correctly or whatever, or the clutches on the mount being loose, which I checked and they're tight, so we're good there. So it's just going to make some minor corrections, and we'll see here in a few minutes or a minute or so and see what happens. And it's all plate solved. As you can see, nothing is gone through, and slew and center has been given back as an option. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my guiding going. So I'm going to pick that star there, and then begin, and then calibrate here. So this will probably take a few minutes. But once I get up and running and I start imaging, I'll try and come back and give you an update and let you know how it's going. I'm going to take a test shot after it's begin guiding and all that, just to make sure everything's good and my guiding's nice and stable and all that. And then I'll come back and I'll give you an update. We'll talk to you in a bit. Okay, so the Tulip Nebula is, I've done my test shot. My guiding, as you can see, it's pretty good. It's under 1 arc minute. It's going to go up and down just due to the backlash on the mount. But I mean, under an arc minute is pretty good. That's what you want to shoot for. But if you go over it, for my setup, my pixel scale for my camera is about 2.7 or 3.24, something like that. I can't exactly remember. Actually, let's go into my camera here and let's see. So my pixel size is 3.7 0.76, as you can see right here. So theoretically, the guiding could go up to 3.50, and I should still have fairly round stars, but you don't want it to ever get that high. But anyway, so everything seems to be good. I'm going to set up a sequence here, and I'm going to set it for about another 3 hours, get another 3 hours into it. And yeah, I should be processing an image here, hopefully tomorrow or maybe even Friday. God, I can't believe it's Wednesday already. Wow. But anyway, so I'll touch base with you either tomorrow or Friday. I'm striving for tomorrow. And I'm going to process the image, and that'll be at the end of the video. So if you stick around till then, you'll have a nice image to see that I will present. And yeah, I'll catch up with you guys, everybody here, on probably tomorrow or Friday. So until then, we'll talk to you later, and we'll see you soon. Okay, everybody, I'm back, and it's the next day, so it is now Thursday. I've collected all the data on the Tulip. I've got roughly about 6.8 hours of data over the 2 nights, Tuesday and Wednesday. Wednesday was a bonus. At the beginning of the week, it looked like only Tuesday was going to be good and moderately good, not even really good, but both nights turned out to be very nice. So that's a bonus. So yeah, 6.8 hours of data. I'm happy with the results of how it came out, and I may be able to go out tomorrow night again, but go further north to a Bortle 2 / Bortle 1 sky. So we'll see how that transpires. But anyway, I really enjoyed photographing this target. It was really fun. I have such a great time when I do go out to be under the stars. Now, mind you, I did it at home. I did all this stuff at home. But I was outside for quite a bit of the time, just staring up at the sky, looking at all the stars, watching all the satellites go by. And it really is breathtaking when you're in a dark place. Like, we're in a Bortle 6 here, so it's not the darkest, but it's not the city. So yeah, it's just nice to sit out there and, you know, listen to like the crickets and all the little noises that happen at night and all that, and it's really relaxing. But anyways, I'm gonna wrap this up. If you stuck it out and made it to the end of the video, I thank you very much. I would also appreciate a subscribe if you found these videos entertaining or if you've learned anything from them. Also a like and a share. That would be really great, because the YouTube algorithm, that'll help my YouTube algorithm, so the content will get to more people. That would be also appreciated as well. So until next time, clear skies. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you in the next video.